Welcome back to Rice.AI Code Room. Today we are tackling LeetCode 1848, minimum distance to the target element. The problem gives us an integer array, a target value, and a starting index. We need to find the occurrence of the target that is closest to our start index, and return that minimum absolute distance. Because the array length is up to 1000, a simple linear scan is perfectly efficient. We will iterate through all elements. Whenever we find the target, we calculate the absolute difference between its index and the start index, updating our minimum distance if it's smaller. Let's look at the implementation. First, we initialize a variable called min_dist to the maximum integer value, so any valid distance we find will be smaller. Next, we loop through the array. If the current element equals the target, we compute its absolute distance from start. If this distance is smaller than min_dist, we update it. Finally, we return the minimum distance. For complexity, the time complexity is O of n because we traverse the array exactly once. The space complexity is O of 1 since we only use a few variables. Thank you for watching.